Ghana journalists and MPP communicators have a clash with the state attorney general, Dr. Dominic Akurutenga Ayeni, concerning how Osi handle Ken Oforiata. Now, Obubusa the question say, where is Sedinam Tamakloe? Where is Ato Essien? Memo nchiremu no achire wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Ahi Penyah block media. Meso ase ni di mu. Obe like video na da ma put subscribe button, stand by click notification icon no for latest update. Na be chire wadwen di amame. Ewo comment section so baso. No achire front onya bi ahwe. You know how Ken Oforiata and Sam abe dedwa ewo Ghana ha no. Say Ghana ha no obia beti ase say Ken Oforiata no obia ya to obawie ya na le party go position no. Wadwane Frema is on person obeba na obey answer to some questions any other. I say obi ati say Oforiata we di oman sika how and this for no is a present yourself no moment na say odi oman sika ana wadwane ye at first omuka say okohwe no yare any other but anybody the omunyi sa adene ntum wadwane ama now obi interest e wo say ye de Ken Oforiata ebeba Ghana ha yemfa akwadu bia more no but ye chirim say obi a interest e wo mu ese edene ebeba Ghana aha no mo na wabe face indictment na OSP any attention no indict no omra emechire so o me defend no ho any other ema even at the floor of parliament kwa me hu se na Mahama ayarega ebusa afenyoma ken ene the nkofon say where is Ken Oforiata omu nkofa Oforiata emra no me face trial any other now you know something obekaya under Mahama first term as president from 2013 to 2017, there was one particular lead, IFN, Sedinam Tamakloe. Now, a former Maslock boss under Mahama, now on a Maslock boss. Ono, Sika Sembi Efanensase. Abra no Honomo Osep as Maslock boss, no. Sika Sembi Efanensase. Emma, ya to aba NDC LUC 2016, no. Ekufa betina konya so no maami edwane ye odwane kwatena USA amanone ema sika semre finance no ekufo the government enhwemu amoye nhwemu wie ye no ebubo maame no ema ye ka se da bi wa cause financial loss to the state. It is said that a telling there uncle 10 years with hard labor in prison. Ye sentenced to 10 years imprisonment. From that time ebesine maame ne ntu na si Ghana ha no mo biem Sedinam Tamakloe wa ma Ghana ha no mo biem maame ne si biem Emma now no 10 years imprisonment is pending on her head. What I say? But no na end this for na they were not interested. Esade na yen question that maame ne emfa ne ma wa cause financial loss to this state yen go fa ne mra and na eho enhia wo mu. And you know something, there was one particular guy, Ato Essien, also same thing, on a different Capital Bank manager. Ato Essien, former different Capital Bank CEO, also caused financial loss to the state. As a Bank of Ghana, there was embezzlement of fund out to the sum of 620 million Ghana cedis liquidity support from the Bank of Ghana. 620 million Ghana cedis liquidity support from the Bank of Ghana. Sikai Chairman Etne Sikanoso. He embezzled this fund. 620 million were didn't free. And at that time, no, also, Oyane Kwashaman on it. 2022, no, and a good for the government and the MPP. Godfred Odamemo, Omu, charge man, or as Omu charge, no. Emma or Tialete okay scan obetua we say one thing we be Emma 2023 no almost sentence no to 15 years imprisonment. 15 years imprisonment or no so edwane and si Ghana ha no mu biem. When si Ghana ha no mu biem. What I say? Emma when si Ghana ha no mu biem no 2025 na to aba and this eba ye no. Omo epumu ana omo granting the bail 10 million Ghana cedis. Enipa area or my sika. Bank of Ghana 620 million Ghana cedis. As report shows. Now your money bay of 10 million. Ama ya de eiba se man wo yale. Oyale. Enti wo hwe no ho yare e wo USA. Ato Essien yare ewo USA. But Kenofrata ka say oyare USA ne yesi wonyi ne yesi turo onyare. But Ato Essien ese oyare ewo USA. Because of that no 15 years imprisonment jail term done 3 so no. Ya granting the bail 10 million Ghanaians own tua. But enwe and a picture be pop up on the internet say Ato Essien on ye any for claim say oyare no. Just say when you bote kra enjoy government conference be government press conference be. And now come me that we see NDC TikToker Frema show together with MPP communicators and some of the journalists. Ebusa Attorney General say, where is Sedinam Tamakloe? Where is Ato Essien? Seeing Kenofrata there. Then where are 2 people? Because Omun kwa ya jelly woman. Kenofrata court yeni nasem, but we ya jelly woman no madanie. Omo henefa.
Ghana for radio, Monja Ato Essien. Ato Essien wa cost financial loss to Ghana. One mensa otabel. Edi omunyansa abo mine krono no. Ato Essien NDC for mo kacha yese oyare. Obaba receive medical treatment. Ya pardon. Ato Essien appear on TV. Monja Ato Essien. Does it look like somebody who is sick? Na se me ba be wu, na me yare, na me ho ofe, na ma funu nyina hyese ya. Who doesn't want to go to die in bed like this? NDC for mo ya tofo. NDC mo de be dia grow me say from political CID. So ope so hu ade a Ato Essien ya de no kotu mu a. E wo se enka mensa otabel and wo se jeli no. Ba jeli Ato Essien. Well, oka ho bi the crime and media to sono. Political CID jamo. NDC4 is lying to Ghanaians. NDC, you are lying to Ghanaians. Ato Essien has appeared on TV right now as I'm talking to you. As I'm talking to you right now, look at this man. Does he look sick? Obi we were from NDC mudia grow. Here, Monte Yenga. You guys going to be exposed from the Charlie. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Pisika wati. Pisika, the giants and phone out social media eating. Ato Essien, does it look sick to you? And this moody be dear grown. Okay, we shall see. We shall see. Winim, Moniama moyen ye boabuano, and Chamukru Bayama, Ati.
No, Mremunusane tear dear. But I say, or prepare your dream will be on. Sir, Yanka who said, ye did not send my brother only her. Now, Obidu Ghana, they are court to be taking care of that. Because Obidu Ghana, I saw court, no catch a court, so Moody must have never had the some of the if it's a wedding intention to the Musadi beam. No, what the back, you need a penny can of that as well. I'm surprised. Me on your madam for. Many knew I am Kophobia. I mean, who said, if you say, we've not been fair to the man. Abra Ofi Ghana Hako. No, only under investigation. This will be a proof. Apart from said OSP, Beckans asked me on one and crop for Beckans and Yanokre. So he watched him leaving. I see now, he was under investigation at the OSP. There's no record, say, Mr. Oforiata. You invite no man call Hoko Trod and was them. There's no record. And some too kind. But the one say all too kind or stray quite free. The incoming and outgoing can say chief of staff, Nipa Mino, and only 2 kind. Obiaso man kind. What did the Americans know? Because now no me court. OSP against Oforiata and 7 others. And then special prosecutor, principal prosecutor, no, can say, oh, Bela, ye dema, you reckon Canada mono. Court room consider say a nipa mienu crasso, a free or maimuko. Ye told my by in your own family. And one lawyer, sorry, can say, Saturday where you can't bontia, or so because at the time of Furata, every Ghana Hano. Court to Ben and now what declare say, what declare wanted. And I called to Ben with dinner, some I have 4. I will be done. Now, I didn't hear, say a timid try Tamakloe, money year. Abra only Ghana ha. I have tried to Ukraine Vanamaya. I didn't know for that. I didn't even try. I just a chinchilla and try your coffin banza. ade bentia na chinchine twan gye se yɛde ne ba kuro yi mu anse yɛtima try no abra enim sɛ emra wo kuro yi mu sɛ ɔyɛ na adwene sɛ ɔma yɛbetima try no adi na sem ama yɛde na famra kwan so odi fa dia de na sɛ chinchine twan oforata de this kwan bia so oba ɛne na ma ne koye political because anya sa hwɛ I say no yɛdi ɔsono srɛ ɛne adoa srɛ ho ɛna yɛdi anobo born into being peda because the same you penny Dominic anyene I'm respecting the power obai cases zero sen na waka so di echiri and high profile cases numbo bi nchira wana
Asempa FM
you penny Colorado so no jina pse bia Colorado for no ni others we share the quantum of pneumonia e hye omanima o bi na from ediko but in na criminal cases and they can want some nye because they are now part of the government in power sana say na oman mu sana say once that your government is not in power no so why boni o unye boni o kwan especially dey faso no na dey be faso what kind of such a me ti ase a enye why boni a ye mamra ne ni but say ye binum ye krokro binum ebinum de ye kra ye mfom ho nkodi ye nka ho asem biem. I don't want to mention names because I say na nipa no do omudi but nipa akoma be 9 obi akọ free na kenofrata no ye meka nkyere yen say o ye hu say o ye adwuma no as finance minister no ye pie sika to na account mu a sika den account mu na your mind de e na wafa ye hu so ni asumasi kwadwa na kwasi kodi sumasi dwa e na o mind sika be di ne ho mama o mind aboka because of say ye ni na sem kura nwie ye enka say o ye na sem wie wadi fo kon bi ye den ba kuro we bia ma obe face the can say ne sentence bia no ye den ba kuro mu we are interested in the ye ni na sem than the ye di na sem a see ye den ba we are not even interested in it. Okay, da ben na hu say ye discuss say Sedinam Tamakloe Ato Essien. Da ben ye bisa kwan ye be fa so ye den ba da ben na wote say ye ka ho asem. I say koto de na bodwe. Na ntwiri on fa no nkodi free. Ahobrase me nua pani Attorney General. Say ye ne sa na ke say we've not been fair. But minim say de wote ye wo akoma papa. We a fair person. Fair and firm. And to say yeah na sadia aden na momma de obia sabi o until proven guilty no nipa no or innocent and apia nyasa na ka no kwasi nyo na lawyer nyasa na ka no but ye dia some of mountain so a crucify owura kenofrata wi it is as if ya dia tum say wa commit crime bi na odifo into say ye tie bia say ba bi owo bia ye kohwe na ye de ne ba no we gina mra nim na mra ne ne edi. Yes, I ain't fair. Meanwhile, no the same criminal charges, no. A lot of I can't say high-profile cases. And then you know, you see chain. Obi amfa ne ho nkodi. Onye boni, omhu somsa brobe. Adentia omo party aba power. And they said the akwa ne say o party ba power. O bambo. O party ni power dia, and ye you huntuma. Obe walk naked or mountain so ye yen sa me giri se emwayen ye wura Mahama bae wo ye ne mabibire ne mapapa wo ye ne mabibire pa in fact anya hwe no me mfa ho ne se de obi sie aka no dollar e wo fam import duties abafam they say they or inject 10 billion wo akofa wo afiri hen wo den de ye furu hian se wo di ame and niam e koso in fact wo hwe na point is I can say so better say nkofo keka say we sika fa we nsa say we akwe say I mean won't say anya na mani bi menti so bi ka kire say bibi koso criminal activities bi koso ba bi menti o hwe djuma nakofo me ameni atwum nom narcotic control for ya enya small thing baby o shebi o ma be UP they are doing wonderful jobs. Baby, but you see, Akuya, attend training, your friend attend training, yeah, attend chair. Se yedi a mo yentre no. Na enkonko ye se ochina ena NDC enka power forever. NDC free power. Na me ne kodwo dan kwate we. Onye bone kura. The first said the party wa oye adwuma wa ban mu kwan de. And the party for ba. I say ko bia e de be faso bia e de faso e twina bo so sa. Na be kakra no onye nipa kwa mom koya ban adwuma. Because I say whether or not we get the thing and not yet the thing because me nipa de sabi you won't even kan kosi awie. Obi say eduji Tamakloe. Said the branch tie na adwuma oye. I'll be surprised that my fufu beba near between a boss didn't call court and I didn't call I mean back and forth report to today, report tomorrow, report one day. And you best say, yes, on my young children, you cool. And near my air cosono, I hear say you mano. It look as if sir, some of the cases has become political because we share a minua inquisitor, the paper anima. A now tie and summer. Or more kika 1 year. As I say, nearly war party decided. So we see the bay. And my brow who party decision say a say. Sana party at the air corner. Ya can't say ye. And Yama establishes it. You're a furata. Call to be any nasem. And can't say we are buying sika. Call to be any nasem so kunipa or my moon. Yes, see. Ayen hwehwemu bi a ne ho edi ewasem bi mu a court wo yen hwehwemu wa asem no ana court di asem no a oka ho bi anenti wo mra me face court no that doesn't mean say wo dwane ye ne ye kopena ye den a che no de na ba akuya wo to sisi ya wako makonkransa na so hiam se me mre kroma sia na me fi nkransa ba je se me dwane ye na o hwem se o de me ba na ye ma periperi ye nya adwuma anya sa ekoye kwasi ne na nkoye kwadwo kina ade yahudi eba me nka na me nyam MPP form firim. There are a lot of people on the court and the MPP and the kwan fa so ye twi on oboso ebinim kura no ebinim yare ni at the time ye mom kwan no dom ko bayina ni na enye but two wrongs doesn't make one right. The fact that omo ye niam enye no se ne yewura Mahama so ba na na ban mu so niam bi so koso na se enya akuya metie na se me ka ho asem me ntumi nye se enne me ka we ama we okira we bade a na na kisa me Kristo amesom no mesom ne sen enti moma ye makwan ma emra enya adwuma. I'm happy that Attorney General can say can ofrata afa a lawyer for America me bo na omu di asem no se koba se yedi na
Chere wadwe mame e wo comment section hi Penyah Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!